promo teo na an promo lúc chui ở sân thân teo na ơi an promo teo na an promo lúc chui áo sân thânดวงจันทร์เอ่ยเรียกพวกเราชายสันนั้นสร้างเงาเงาบ่ปรองโดยวงแขนสรีเป็นเคยเลี้ยงจนเรียมก็กูดมิตรีอ่อนละอ่อนละสรีพอนี้ใส่โบประตราโดยอ่อนขันอ่อนอ่อเลื่อนมวยกับรักเธอเอาเจ็ดมองรันตะกุดสนิทก้าวในอ้อจังลงรู้สึกพลีเพลินนอมอายจนได้มองรันจะสรงน้ำสรึโอนพัดจีเพื่อปีเมียนปรับโอนเตถ้ามองวิสนาจ้องตาเกียกายถนอมเลยบ่าวจีดลีพัดจีโอนบันโปรดเอ้เรียมสุขใสที่วันนั้นคำสาดวงจันทร์เอ่ยจันทร์แรงมองพลือจันทร์บองได้ละร้องตรงเครียมตรงร้องได้ตุกขาเป็นเคยอ้อตรุงมองเป็นจรูสนิหาเมตตาเมตตาโยนโลจะน่ามองพอKau sampai jauh. Stuck on you, got the feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. 'Cause I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. 'Cause I'm on my way. my lady stay. Stuck on you, been a fool too long. I guess time for me to come on home, 'cause I'm on my way. So what to see that no woman like you could be around for a man like me, 'cause I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. That midnight train tomorrow, and I know it's where I'm going. I pick my trouble and I throw them all away. Could you stop a little darling, and I'm coming home to stay. Stuck on you, got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. 'Cause I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. 'Cause I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed.ក្រមតាមប្រពូលតែបំអាចខុតបានចិត្តដែលគេរងទៅក្បត់តើអូនជារុក្ខជាតិឬក៏វើយបងជាអូនមិនដែលរំភើបក្នុងចិន្តាបងខំស្រឡាញ់ស្មើសោកខាសុខថ្ងៃនៅយូនទៅនេត្រាតែម្នាក់ឯងបងសែនស្ដាយចិត្តដែលខំស្នេហ៍អូនដែលជាជនគិនទៅរឿងក្បត់អូគ្មានមេត្តាអូនដែលចេញមេត្តាបងទេទំនងទឹកភ្នែកនឹងដួងចិត្តដែលរលួយតែពុំអាចទៅបានចិត្តតែគេឃ្លាតទៅឆ្ងាយពាក្យដែលអូនស្បត់ស្បែកពីគ្រាមុនដោយដូចសុបិនក្នុងរដូវវស្សាក្តីគុំគួននឹងក្តីស្នេហាជំរឿស្មើគ្នាចឹងកំព្រារងាតាអែសែនស្ដាយពេលដែលកូនឡងទៅអូនមានមេត្តាបន្តិចឡើយអូដល់រូបបង រិតក្នុងមកធ្វើឲ្យជីវិតខ្ញុំសែនខោចសាជាអោសានសល់សង្ឃឹមថាអូននឹងវល់វិញក្នុងពេលវេលាដ៏ខ្លីទីវីរីត្រីដែលរាប់ពុំជ្រះស្រឡាញ់នឹងស្អប់អូនមានความអើតគ្នាទេបងសែនស្នេហ៍តែពេលរងចាំជាច្រើនពីឆ្នាំលុបមកឥឡូវអូចាំជួបអូដែលចិត្តអូនរួលតែក្បត់Thank you. Trong riêng đó là tóc mọc chỉ dù bên em sạch ngủ trâu hồ tổ dụng từng này phải tóc sống này gặp nhớ thật nhiều chết đừng cầm say hà mình cô pha chân pha rồi này mình cô chút xì qua cái đây mê ta chân lốp chân hiên lối nhìn sóng xa mi rưỡi đất khá sẽ hà phép cái đây đừng làm hô chết hô kết mình đổ thà chân cô đi mua sờ chiên xuống đây quy ra ha ha đôi sắc vợ gì vẫn mây cho cha là tạm đã chân bên linh chia bê đã nhom trâu dùng bên cả tục thùng trong rừng chi vượt miền sông cầm tê tha nước ban này rất hai trộn có chân ta cao sa hú chết hú kết mình đo thở chân đi mua sờ chiên xuống đây mình ra ha ha đôi giấc bận sự bán mây cho cha lan cảm cái chân chia bê là thiêm trâu nhung bê ca túc thùng nó rư chi vật មានសុំកំទេថានោះបានស្នេហ៍ស្និទ្ធហើយទ្រង់ព្រមចិត្តតាំងកាយស្នាWould you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. Would you hold my hand if I saw you in heaven? Would you help me stand if I saw you in heaven? I'll find my way through night and day, 'cause I know I just can't stay here in heaven. Time can bring you down, time can bend your knees. Time can break your heart, have you begging please, begging please. Beyond the door, there's peace, I'm sure, and I know there'll be no more tears in heaven. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would you be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven.
Thank you. សារិកាដងត្រី
Would ជ្រៅទៅទីទៅហើយនឹងឡើយក៏បាត់មិនឃើញទៅចូលអើយជួយបងនំស្រីមកឥឡូវខ្ញុំនៅតែចាំស្នេហ៍មកចុះអូនស្ងួនទៅប្រលឹកបងនៅចាំថ្នមបំពីសង្សារយប់ជ្រៅត្រជាក់ណាស់មានមេបងនៅតែចាំថ្លៃថ្ងៃស្អែកបងនឹងបែរពីអូនអើយសូមមករួមមីត្រីព្រងស្អែកបងបែរឆ្ងាយពីយត់ណាយថ្ងៃណានឹងបានវិលវិញឡើយជ្រីទីទៀតទៅហើយនឹងឡើយក៏មិនគឺពើចូលអើយជួយបងនំស្រីបូនវិញឥឡូវខ្ញុំរកចាំស្នេហ៍ចុះណាស្រួលពើប្រលឹកបងនៅចាំថ្នមបំពីសន្សារយប់ជ្រៅត្រជាក់ណាស់មានស្នេហ៍បងនៅតែចាំថ្លៃថ្ងៃស្អែកមកនឹងបែកអូនហើយណាអូនអើយសូមមករួមមីត្រីព្រងស្អែកបងបែកឆ្ងាយទៅពីយល់មិនដឹងថ្ងៃណានឹងបានវិលវិញឡើយ It's late in the evening. She won't bring her clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to this party and everyone turns to see at this beautiful lady as she walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love lights in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I got this aching head. So I gave her the car keys, and she heads me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out their light, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh my darling, you were wonderful tonight.
Thank you very much. Elvis in the house. Eric Clapton.
Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us, above us only the sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no country. It ain't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Making all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday will join us, and the world will be as one. But you know, no possession. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger, a brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing all their world. You must say, I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will live as one. John Lennon. Oceans apart, day after day, and I slowly go insane. I hear your voice on the line, but it doesn't stop the pain. If I see you next, never, how can we stay forever? Whatever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I took for granted all the times that I thought would last somehow. I hear the laughter, I taste the tears, but I can't get near you now. Oh, can you see, baby, you got me going crazy. Whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I wonder how we can survive this romance. But in the end, if I'm with you, I'll take a chance. how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. Waiting for you. Wait for you.
Thank you. Itu yang kisah.